Introducing Astoria Pro Series. Revolutionary design. Up to 27 SEER 2, ranging from 6 to 36,000 BTU. The newly launched TU1 copper coils exhibit a 70% increase in resistance to formicary corrosion. Another feature is the humidity sensor, helping maintain a balanced temperature, and a new refrigerant sensor is also included, working in single or in up to 6 multi-zone with independent temperatures. Astoria is compatible with Cooper&Hunter Hyper heat outdoor units working up to -22 Fahrenheit. With the included Smart Kit, it can be controlled remotely with an app from wherever you want. Get peace of mind by setting a schedule to meet your needs. The unit will begin working automatically. Compatible with the Cooper&Hunter wall thermostat. Auto-swinging horizontal and vertical louvers help cover the entire room. Wider air outlet makes this unit even more efficient. Magnetic filter makes cleaning easy. And easy maintenance is Astoria's most important feature. Opening at 90 degrees provides easy access to the e-box. And with just 2 screws, it makes it possible to remove the blower wheel in just 20 seconds. The self-cleaning function enhances and streamlines the overall maintenance process, making it less time-consuming. Astoria can be installed just 2 inches from the ceiling. Astoria Pro is our best mini-split, boasting an extensive array of features and enhancement. These qualities make Astoria the ideal choice for your needs. Cooper&Hunter, addicted to comfort.